talk about the course a little bit. This course is the technical foundation of the 4-track program that will make you a business software programmer and an Excel VBA master. Some of the course assignments you will write over the 4-track program include a dynamic certificate generator, a purchase orders inquiry tool that reads orders from an external file, summarizes them by currency, and allows you to drill down to the orders by year, create a sleek PDF report from a text file, construct a PowerPoint presentation from Excel data, attach and send it as an Outlook email message, build an orders management application in which customers, products, and orders are maintained, dynamically chart currency exchange rate trends from data available on the internet, design and set up a database structure to support the business of Accelerate Care, the business we gradually develop a business application for over the 4-track program, and develop a dynamic sales dashboard for Accelerate Care. Who is this course for? If you're looking to develop your career where technology and business meet, this is a perfect path for you. Maybe you graduated from college and want to gain competitive advantage by becoming also a computer programmer with outstanding Excel programming skills. This is also a perfect program for you. Who else is this course for? If you're a professional manager, maybe in manufacturing, in sales, financials, logistics, or any other business area, who's not afraid of technology, maybe you're already an advanced Excel user. This could be an excellent opportunity for you to become a computer programmer who masters Excel VBA, the easiest programming language to grasp and start with. If you're a techie, already know how to write computer programs, but lack the full capacity to hook databases to your programs in a robust, efficient way, in a business-grade level, this program may also be the next step in your career. And lastly, if you're an advanced programmer, maybe even an Excel VBA master, but you want to understand also the business side of your customers so that you will be able to analyze their business requirements and become a one-man show beginning to end, you may want to join my Inner Circle or other programs, even if this technical foundation program is not needed. What is expected from you? You are to take this course seriously. Beyond the frontal time I have recorded for you, there will be assignments you will be advised to implement. In the sessions in which I demonstrate hands-on code, you are advised to open the VBA editor and repeat my code on your end as well, expanding and playing around with it to explore other capabilities. If you have questions or need my guidance during the course, you can post your questions in the discussion board and I'll support you. If you invest your time, attention, and keep your hands on the keyboard, you will become a computer programmer of solid business software solutions and master Excel VBA. In the next session, I will detail the contents of our first course in the program, Computer Programming with Excel VBA. See you there.